Hello guys, welcome back to this KDP mastery course for beginners. I am by name Jeremiah Sandy. For some of you that don't know what is Amazon KDP, it's a business model that has to do with you writing books or creating books, either your laptop or your smartphone, and then publishing it on Amazon. So in this video course, I'll be taking you step by step from creating your KDP account to getting your foreign bank account, to formatting your book and publishing your first book successfully on Amazon. I want to assure you this is the best decision you did by getting this KDP course, because if you are going to implement everything that has been explained in this video course, you are on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for joining. I will also have a WhatsApp community where there are people that are already in KDP that are ahead of you and have been making money from that business. And any question or any challenge you are facing in this business, you can ask questions in that group, and I'm assuring you people will answer your questions and your challenges. Please make sure you recommend this course to other people that you know that are in need of this business, so that we make money together on